Hello and welcome to Access Television. Today I wanted to show you how to get Alexa going on your Windows 10 computer. To get started with, we go to Internet Explorer.
Windows 1, taskbar, this PC, Control W, taskbar, search box, S-I-S-E-R, enter. Internet Explorer. Region search edit, type in text, forms, pasted from clipboard.
I typed in
Region search edit, Alexa on the Microsoft App Store. Type enter, Google search button, Google search link, Google Apps button collapsed. Search modes heading level, search results, web results heading level, get Alexa dash Microsoft Store heading level 3 link visited. Enter, get Alexa dash Microsoft Store, www.microsoft.com, single right pointing angle quotation mark, and dash a single right pointing angle quotation mark, Alexa heading level 1.
Okay, let's see if there's a description here.
Available on heading description heading level 2.
Let's read that real quick.
Heading level 2 description, the convenience of Alexa, now on your PC. With Alexa on your PC you can simplify your life and use your voice to get more done. Just ask Alexa to check your calendar, create lists, play music, answer questions, read the news and more. Even when the app is running in the background or minimized. Alexa on your PC makes it easy to control your smart home from anywhere just by using your voice. Whether you're at home or on the go, Alexa is designed to make your life easier. Things to try, write quote Alexa, what's on my calendar today, more.
Alright, let's see if we can get that.
Screenshot 1 enlarged screen, show more button, get button. Enter. Get button unavailable, get button unavailable, get button unavailable, get button unavailable.
So, the Microsoft Store can be a little bit tricky to use sometimes, so hopefully this will go pretty smoothly.
Get button. Products available on PC link. Link products heading level 2 available on tab panel start overview. Get button. Show more button menu collapsed. Get button. Show more get button. Space, get show more, get button unavailable, touch cursor, Microsoft Store, ms-local-stream : / mic launch button.
Alright, hopefully it downloaded it.
Enter, Alexa, push the talk button to activate, press space bar.
Now this was a little bit easier because I already, downloaded it and installed it, and I uninstalled it and did it again because the first time it was asking me for a lot of passwords and usernames and I didn't want to share that, but yeah, so let's give it a try.
Push the talk button to activate, press space bar. Space.
Alexa, what is the weather?
Currently, in Wichita it's 81 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. You can expect more of the same today, with a high of 84 degrees and a low of 68 degrees.
So I hit space on the
push the talk button to
push the talk button. That's the same as pushing a physical button on a physical device if we had one. Let's try to use just my voice. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Jimmy, take it away.
What did the cat say when she left the party? Meowed.
Okay, that was
He's pretty good at this, but if you ever want to switch back to my jokes, just say, Alexa, I miss your jokes.
Now it didn't ask me to sign in or anything like that because I already had it signed in and installed and I removed it. So the first time you do that it might be a little bit more difficult. But just try to remember
Microsoft Store to move to it. Blank.
When you go to the store,
heading level 1 Alexa,
you should be able to navigate by headings,
AMZN Mobile LLC button,
and by buttons.
See more results from productivity button. Share button. Show full description button. Wishlist button. Show more button. Enlarge screenshot 3 button.
So, I'm curious to see what you guys think about that. Do you think the app for Alec, because we can't say its name because it's listening right now, how it works for you, and what kind of features do you wish Alec had that it doesn't have now, or that you're not sure how to use or whatnot. I've been kind of playing with it for a few days and it seems to work pretty good. Thanks for tuning in for this brief tutorial on how to use Alec on your Windows 10 desktop.